Hi, today I'm going to showcase ElectroNeek's robotic process automation capabilities in a bot that performs data extraction and transformation from an SQL database. But first, let me run through what it's going to look like. The objective of the following bot was to perform an ETL case study by gathering the feedback from the buyers of the most recent product version. Its job is to access and scan the SQL database, to extract the lines that fulfill the parameters provided, and to then send emails to those in the database that fit the parameters. Once those email responses have been collected, the next step is to access, read, and store the contents of those emails, each assigned to the customer from whence they came. It'll append the original database with the new information. Let's jump right in. We'll start from a blank ElectroNeek interface, and let's just take a look at what we're working with. I'll open up the current SQL database, and you'll see that we're operating under ElectroNeek, tables, and then into the customer database. For simplicity, I took the trouble to extract the first 1,000 lines and ordered them by purchase date. In this scenario, I'm only interested in those that purchased the product after a specific date. The parameter is set to anyone who purchased it after the 25th of December 2018. In that case, you'll see that the top 3 lines match the criteria and that the response section next to their data is empty. The bot is currently piecewise to make it easier to understand. Let's launch the first part, the bot titled Get Customers. The workspace automatically fills with the desired bot, and I can just scroll through to show you that really it's not that many steps. Everything is built using drag and drop algorithms and then connected sequentially. Now I just have to hit the start button on the top left and run the bot in the background. It'll automatically minimize while it's going. The current stage is responsible for accessing the customer list database via SQL, finding those that are on our after the 25th of December parameter, and sending them an email to the email address provided and asking them for feedback. Basically, the goal is to ask them about the most recent version in order to gather their feedback for later releases, and to do it automatically with RPA. The bot will finish its query and automatically reopen up ElectroNeek. The console down here confirms that everything ran successfully. After some time has passed, let's go ahead and assume that the customers have emailed us back with their feedback. I'll open up the specified email and we should hopefully see the 3 responses we are looking for. As you can see, these new emails have arrived with the desired customer feedback. Note that they will remain unopened for now because I'll just minimize out of the inbox. Let's move on to the next step. We got the email responses we wanted, but now we want to update our database to keep track of everything. For that, we have to go to the second step of the bot. I'll go ahead and open up the Get Emails. This one is similarly built with the same drag and drop algorithm, but you can see it's a bit longer and uses some conditionals. This is just to let the program double check everything is correct at each step. I'll go ahead and run this bot as well, and it'll likewise minimize and run in the background. At this step, the bot is accessing the email account where all the responses came in, recording those, and then re-accessing the SQL database to add to the data. In this case, it's adding the email responses for each of the individuals who wrote back. All of this is done in the background, and it'll reopen as soon as it's done. Here it goes, and now the console again just validates that everything happened successfully. Let's take a look at what changed. First, if I refresh my inbox, you'll see that all the emails have been marked as opened after the bot came in and accessed them. Now let's just minimize this again and take a look at the SQL database from before. I'll just go ahead and hit F5 and you'll see everything refresh, and here are the responses. The response column was automatically populated with the email responses from each customer. In just a few seconds, the bot managed to access incoming emails, store that information, and add them to the correct customers in the database. A task like this would have normally taken 30 or more minutes. With RPA, we're looking at a matter of seconds, all run in the background without any constant tweaks or human input. Regardless of the intercompatibility of the programs involved, ElectroNeek can access and change data with ease. The real beauty of RPA, however, is the near infinite complexity of the possibilities. The pre-programmed blocks built into ElectroNeek's platform allow for flexible and cross-applicable programming, unique combinations of conditionals, actions, and subprograms that let you automate all the unique processes to your business's day-to-day. While we try to showcase many simple processes, the only limit to what can be done is what you're willing to design to make your problems solve themselves with RPA. To schedule a product demo or to become a partner, email us at sales@electroneek.com or partners@electroneek.com. We also have a community forums at the URL on the screen. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to stay in the loop for future videos.